Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Hedera Hbar, the Hbar Blackrock Symbiosis. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. They've got a biometric wallet which has got $50 off, and they also have a biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. Descent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens and supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. So guys, without further ado, let us look into the price and chart of Hedera at the time of the recording, guys. So guys, this is Hedera. Hedera is up 14.58% for the day. The price is almost 12 cents, yeah, 0.1202. It went as high as 18 cents, guys, from 10 cents approximately, and now it has basically dipped a bit to 12 cents. So if you look at the 7-day chart, guys, it is up 56.34%, guys. Look at this. Isn't this a thing of beauty? It went from all the way from almost 8 cents to 18 cents, guys. So this is awesome. If you look at the monthly chart, it is up 3.33% because it basically broke through this resistance over here. The 13-cent mark went up and then it came back down. It went up with the news that we're going to be discussing, and it basically came down, and it is basically testing this support level again, the 12-cent mark, the 13-cent mark. In my opinion, this will maintain this position, and then from here on forward it will go up, but not financial advice obviously, but crucial support over here. If you look at the monthly, in the monthly, guys, it went if you look at the lows, it went all the way to 8 cents. The yearly has a 101.87% rise, guys. Check this out. It went from almost 5 cents, 4.5 cents to 18 cents. That 18, no, a bit more. Okay, so 13 cents. Okay, if you look at the yearly, how is it 13 cents? I mean, something is not right here. Anyways, so yeah, 13 cents over here. But yeah, it touched in the daily. It touched 18 cents, but I think CMC has to update this a bit because it happened all of a sudden. This price movement in the daily, guys, it suddenly went to 18 and back to 12. So I think they need some updates. So, anyways, guys, why is Hedera moving, and why has the market basically reacted to it? Guys, Hedera is a powerhouse. We've talked time and again, but when a certain huge news hits the market, guys, then obviously people trust the project even more. They basically buy even more. So obviously, so check this out, guys. This is Hedera breaking news, April 23rd. BlackRock tokenizes money market fund on HBAR network, guys. This is huge. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with minimum estimates at 10 trillion plus AUM. Awesome, guys. Let us look at the comments, what the people are saying over here. What implications might this have for smaller investors? Fire. Still so early, Hedera. It's heading to its all-time highs. So yeah, although it touched the 18 cents mark and it is back to 12 cents, this is super bullish. Yes. Okay. What else do we have? As I told you guys. Anyways, guys, Hedera is a giant, but what will this mean for the course? What is your assessment of it? Anyways, check this out, guys. Archex increases tokenized money market fund offerings, executes first multi-million transaction in partnership with Onera. This has been posted April 23rd, 2024. Archex London, UK, 23rd April 2024. Archex. What is Archex, guys? It is the first FCA regulated digital asset exchange. Basically, FCA is the regulatory body in the UK. Regulated digital asset exchange broker and custodian today announced that it is expanding the range of fund shares it offers in tokenized form with the provision of the Blackrock ICS US Treasury Money Market Fund. This builds on its launch of tokenized access to ABRDN's MMFs last year. So yeah, this additional BlackRock MMF along with existing offerings are all available directly on Archex platform as well as through connected networks. So check this out. The first transaction of tokenized shares of BlackRock MMF, which was also tokenized on Hedera, the open source proof of stake public ledger, was completed across Onera Fin P2P digital asset network, guys. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Shane Higdon, the CEO of the HBAR Foundation, what has he commented, guys? Check this out. The addition of MMF shares tokenized on Hedera enabled by Archex is a huge vote of confidence. And this indeed is, guys. This means that the global giant and global players are basically trusting Hedera. They believe that it has something to offer. They trust its technology. They trust its tech. They trust what it stands for, basically. Hedera's unmatched speed. So this is what I'm talking about: the speed, security, and low cost benefit analysis. Any enterprise, guys, when they want to do something, if they want to basically launch something or do a certain business, they do the cost benefit analysis. And Hedera, as you all know, is extremely cost effective, cost efficient. So the low-cost infrastructure is ideally suited for the institutional-grade tokenization of real-world assets made possible by Archex. A money market fund is not a guaranteed investment vehicle. An investment in MMFs is different from an investment in deposits. The principal invested in a MMF is capable of fluctuation, and the risk of loss of the principal is to be borne by the investor. The MMF does not rely on external support for guaranteeing the liquidity of the MMF or stabilizing the NAV per share. Anyways, guys, what are people saying or commenting about HBAR? Let us look into this for a moment, guys. Check this out. This is HBAR. To the people selling HBAR, you'll someday realize that when it comes to Hedera, news like yesterday's can happen at any time, involving any industry, any household name, for any use case imaginable with zero warning. Guys, the thing is, these news pump the market short term, but for someone who is looking for short term games, this is a trade for the small time investors or short term traders. But if someone is a long term investor, guys, they look into the fundamentals. They basically trust a project. They invest that money, and they look at the medium term to long term potential of a certain project. Obviously, I'm not saying that taking profits or doing short term trades is not good, but that is not what projects like Hedera stand for, guys. This is one of the best long term holds in the entire market, guys. So this is for this we should be looking at a larger perspective, a larger time frame, and we should be looking at it in terms of a project that is changing the entire industry, guys. Not only uh, the crypto industry, but finance in general, guys. Check this out. What else do we have? The biggest elephant in the room isn't. By the way, guys, it also had some FUD recently as well. HBAR, after this, the price dropped and everything. A lot of old FUD also came. Old negativity also came as well. The biggest elephant in the room isn't HBAR's price, market cap, or anything else. It is the freaking volume, baby. Below is Binance's volume chart for the last 24 hours, both spot and margin. And look at Hedera. Where is it? Check this out, guys. I think Hedera's volume is more, right? So this is awesome. What is the volume at the moment? Let me look at the volume. Okay, 3.52 billion, guys. This is insane. This is indeed insane, guys. This is awesome. If you look at the 7-day chart, how did the volume increase? from 50 million all the way to, guys, 3 billion, guys. So this is awesome. This is awesome. The volume is insane. Calling it now, H bar is primed to pump after this FUD wave passes. Doubters gonna doubt, but I'm trusting Hedera and its potential. Trust the tech, trust Hedera. Awesome. This is the bozo flooding our bag. Okay. H bar surged by more than 107% as investors believed that BlackRock was involved in a fund tokenization project on Hedera. The token then slumped by more than 25% as BlackRock turned out to have no involvement in the launch. Okay, so uh, paid article by Vitalik. Okay, so just curious, did you ask Archex or BlackRock before posting this? Okay. I'd be surprised if they ask their own reporters. So this is what the FUD is all about, guys. That people are saying that BlackRock has nothing to do with this, but according to the this Archex article, April 23rd, 2024, Hedera is involved, BlackRock is involved. So the symbiosis, the connection is there according to Archex, but the FUD is that no, they are not involved with it. Anyways, CoinDesk, if you are saying BlackRock had no involvement, BlackRock had no involvement, then you admit you don't have the facts here. How can anyone believe your stories in the future? There is proof all over the place. They approved of the press release so that it is impossible to claim as no involvement. BlackRock allowed it. That is involvement. So basically, they're saying that BlackRock is indeed involved, guys. So what do you guys think about all that is happening? Regardless, the governance council of Hedera has got Google and other giants as well. So the tech is there, everything is there. Let's see how it all unfolds now. But this indeed is huge, in my opinion, regardless. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.